Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about single switch based hazard light wiring for Royal Enfield Classic 350 BS4 version. Unlike side indicator switches need to be pressed, we will be demonstrating a setup which can be operated using a single switch. So let's check it out. So here is my board. And this is a single switch which I wired to turn on hazard light. Without touching the indicator switches, you can see that the 4 indicators are blinking. So let's check the wiring and electrical circuit. So this is the electrical circuit diagram of a classic 350 BS4 version. So you can see the flasher here, and a white cable is going from flasher to the black coupler that is found inside the headlight. So similarly for right hand and left hand traffic indicators, separate wires will be going to the black coupler. So for right side it is black and green, and for left side it is black and white. So this is the setup we will be going to build. We need two 6 ampere diode, any two 6 ampere diode. So I have used SR560, that's a 5 ampere diode which worked fine for me, and also I have used an automobile switch that I'll be fixing on the handlebar, and the other connections are shown here. So this is a connectivity diagram. So in a diode you can see that there are two terminals. One which is near to the silver line will be cathode, and the other terminal will be anode. So we have to short circuit the anodes and connect that to the switch, and open terminals of the two cathodes of the two diodes will be connected to the black coupler that is inside the headlight chamber. So let's build this. So I'll be using one switch like this, two diodes like this, a small piece of wire, and few heat shrink tubes, a soldering iron, wire cutter, this is a diode. I'll be cutting the anode wires. So as shown in the circuit diagram, I will be soldering both the anodes. And using a small piece of wire, I will be connecting that to both the cathodes. For proper insulation, I have used heat shrink tubes. If your vehicle is still under warranty period, then it is not recommended to do following wiring changes because it may affect the warranty conditions. So using a star screwdriver, slightly unscrewing the screw, you can remove the headlights. So I'll be putting the switch here. The wire will go through this small gap below the headlight on the right hand side. So here I have taken the wires into the headlight chamber. So this is a black coupling that you can see inside the headlight chamber. So there are many wires in it. So as you can see that this is white over black, and this is white, and this is green over black. So I have just connected one multimeter just to check whether these are the proper wires or not. So as you can see that it's fluctuating from 0 and 10 volt. Okay, so that means our wires are correct. So I have just removed this black coupling. Okay, so I have just inserted the wire after removing the insulation of the wire, and I will be folding it back and inserting this coupler back to the coupler socket. You can see that I have inserted back the coupler with the wires. Just turn on the left indicator. Yes, left indicator is working fine. Okay, now let's check the right indicator. Okay, the right indicator is also working. Pilot lamp is also blinking. Okay, I have turned off the indicator now. So now no indicators are blinking. Now I'm going to turn on the hazard light switch. So just to make you sure, I'm just pressing the indicator button to turn it off. Okay, now I've turned on the hazard lamp. So as you can see, the 4 indicators are blinking. So I have used hot glue just to make sure that the insulation is proper, and above that I have just wrapped packing tape. Okay, that's it. Thank you.